Guys, hi, how's you? I hope you all good. In this video, we talk about the mindset of two families, poor family and rich family. You know what's the difference between rich people and poor people? That is the difference is called mindset. Here I am showing you the difference of those people with a small story. In both family, the child name is first is poor family child name is Jagu and the rich family child name is Daniel. So first we start the video of Jagu, which is from a poor background and also a poor family. Not poor, just a middle class family. So he want to be succeed in our life and get a lots of experience in our life, but he don't know how to do this. In the age of 11, he start everything, sports like skating, running, kabaddi, cricket, football, everything. Of 15, he didn't get anything. He think he is a loser. He think he is a and he stopped this at the age of 15. One day he go and talk with father and say about all things. Hey daddy, I have lot of experience and I want to do something. I have a dream and I want to succeed and experiencing a lot, but didn't get anything. And at the end of this 15-year-old, I didn't get anything. Daddy says, son, let's remember my one thought. What we are poor. We are belonging from a poor background. We can't do this. Only rich guy do this because they have a money, power and rich background. And the final, Jagu thinks he can't do anything. And the story is end. Here, the second story is Daniel, who is also belong to a poor background but have a rich mindset. But why? Just see here what's happening here. Daniel also want to be get succeed and also want to be rich in our life, but he was in a single aim, just spread positivity and get a lots of power to our audience. And he also start a career at the age of 11 and experiencing all things: football, cricket, swimming, everything. But he also like Jagu. He also at the age of 15 he didn't get anything, and he think he tired now, and he go and talk with father and say, hello daddy, how's you? Daddy says, I'm good buddy, but why do you look like a saddy mandy? Son says, no dad, actually I'm just tired because I want to be a succeed like other professionals and also want to be rich, but I didn't get anything. Just as it 15-year-old, I experiencing a lot, but I didn't get anything. Daddy says, okay, you didn't get. Can you say what you have experiencing? Daniel says, I experiencing football, cricket, everything, a lot, but I didn't get. Daddy says, you lot, but how many efforts you give in a single career or a single activity? Daniel think and say, not much, I give just small drop like a water for those all. Father says, okay, it means you want to be get a succeed, but you want to a multi. Yes, now you want to, you dug everywhere, but you didn't give a long dug in the single dug. Am I right, Daniel? Daniel says, and first thing, yeah dad, I don't give a single dug in a single along. I dugging everywhere, but I never do this along and long. It means you didn't have a positivity. And Daniel think, now I go and just dugging in a single and long too, and get succeed in our life. Daddy says, good, that's my son. Now you already listening that, but is it too important? You all guys, you also like Jagu. You also dugging in a multi ways. You do everything. Cricket, sports, fashion, a lot. But at the end, you didn't get. So, if you really want to be a succeed, follow Daniel, not Jagu. Because then if you learn a Daniel story, it's two most important thing. First one is aim. Second is positivity. Third bonus from me is the mindset of rich people. and you also must be need a rich people mindset, because rich people always think for others, not ourselves. If you really want to be get succeed in your life, just follow these rules and start your career with lots of experiences and growth your mindset day by day.